The Supreme Court on Monday stayed the enforcement of the order passed by the Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand authorities that ordered eateries along the Kanwar Yatra route to display and disclose names of owners and the staff employed by them. The order was passed by a bench of Justices Rishikesh Roy and S.V.N. Bhatti while they issued notices on a batch of petitions challenging the government directives. However, the bench clarified that the eatery should display the type of food being served. The court has issued notice to states en route the Kanwar Yatra, and this may include Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Delhi and Madhya Pradesh. Now, what happened is that last week, the police in Muzaffarnagar asked eateries, including roadside carts, along the route of the Kanwar Yatra to display names of owners or proprietors to avoid any confusion among the yatris. This is what the authorities said. Uttar Pradesh then extended the directive across the state on 19th of July. Uttarakhand's Haridwar also issued similar directions, leading to widespread criticism of the move. Several petitions have now been filed in the Supreme Court, including a petition filed by the Association for Protection of Civil Rights and two other petitions filed by TMC MP Mahua Moitra, academic Apoorva Mandhani and columnist Akar Patel. The petitioners have alleged that these actions exacerbate communal discord and threaten the livelihoods of affected individuals. Among other things, the petitions have also claimed that the orders violate the right to privacy of owners and workers of shops and eateries, exposing them to danger and making them targets. They have therefore alleged violation of the ideals and values enshrined in the preamble to the Constitution and alleged that the orders violate fundamental rights of equality, caste, non-discrimination and dignity of life. Now, let me tell you what happened during the hearing on Monday. Essentially, senior advocate Dr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi appeared for Moitra and he submitted that the situation is worrisome as police authorities that have issued these directives and they have taken it upon themselves to create a division or a divide. He alleged that these directives would virtually identify the owners and subject them to economic boycotts. Singhvi asserted that the order is exclusion by identity and it is against the ideals of the Constitution of India. He explained that you go to a restaurant depending on the menu and not who is serving the food. However, Justice Bhatti urged Singhvi to not narrate the situation in an exaggerated manner. He asserted, that is, the judge asserted that the issue has three dimensions: safety, standard and secularism, and he said that all three of them are equally important. The court also asked whether any formal order has been passed to enforce these directions. Lawyers for other petitioners also submitted that a public notice had been issued by the authorities in Uttar Pradesh and they asserted that the UP Chief Minister has made a public statement that the directive must be enforced. The lawyers also asserted that the directives have no statutory backing whatsoever and no law gives the police commissioner the power to do this, to issue such directives. The court then noted that the challenge was to the directives issued by the police and the threat of police action in the event of non-adherence to these orders. It pointed out that the Kavariyas in the holy month of Shravan, while undertaking the journey to collect water from river Ganga, abstain from certain food items in their diet. The court noted that this can be understood as abstaining from consuming any non-veg food, or in the event of those who follow strict vegetarianism, even onion and garlic. It then noted the petitioner's contention that the directives are discriminatory and went on to issue notice on the petitions and also state the directives. The case will come up again next on Friday and we'll of course keep track of it and keep bringing you the most latest updates. So do follow our YouTube channel and also follow us on social media.